Hello there, Ivan.
Hi, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
It's nice to see you. How are you today?
Good.
Okay, I'm happy to know that you are doing good. Are you ready to learn with Teacher Hazel?
Yes.
Okay, welcome to class. Let's go and learn mathematics this evening. To start with, let me share with you our screen. We're going to continue learning about subtraction, just like what we did last time. But before we start, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yeah, but can you see me clearly?
Yes.
All right, very good. Thanks for that. Here we go. Here's our screen. Just like last time, we're going to read the questions first and then we're going to answer it. So let me share with you the first one. We have here 38 minus 26. All right.
Okay.
So as always, we will start here in the right, going to the left. So we're going to have 8 minus 6 first equals 2. Oh, sorry for my pen. Let me rewrite it again. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. And then 3 minus 2 equals 1. So you have here the final answer, which is 12. Let me give you another example. 46 minus 14. So let's first start with 6 minus 4 equals 2. And then 4 minus 1 equals 3. The answer is 32. Okay. Now I'm gonna give you the opportunity to try to answer number 3. Can you please read it first and then you answer? For number 3, we have here.
The 67 minus 34.
Very good. Let's start first with 7 minus 4 equals how many? Remember, you have to count from 4 until you reach 7. Okay. What is the next number? 2, 4.
11.
We are subtracting. You're taking away the number. Okay, so from 4, what is the next number to 4? It's
7.
4. From 4, Ivan, 4.
4. 5. 6. 7.
Okay, what is the answer?
4.
Try it one more time. Nice one, though. Try it another time. All right. So you have to count from 4 until you reach 7. Can you please show me your fingers? So you have, what is the next number to 4?
4. 4. 5.
4 in mind, okay? 4 in mind. 4.
4. 5.
Mm-hmm.
6. 7.
Okay, what is the answer? The answer is
3.
very good. And then 6 minus 3 equals how many? From 6, you have to count, from 3, you have to count until you reach number 6. Okay? 3.
3.
Mm-hmm. Next number to 3 is 3 in mind. What is next to 3?
3. 4. 5. 6.
Okay, what is the answer?
3.
All right, can you please read the final answer, Ivan? 67 minus 34 equals?
33.
Very good. Okay, do you remember now how to subtract two-digit numbers?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Let's have here the next one. Can you please read it? We have. Read it, please. Thank you. 40.
40.
You can do it. Can you still see the screen, Ivan?
No, I do not see the screen.
Oh, okay. What happened? All right, let me stop sharing and then I'm gonna share it with you again. Okay. How about this time? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
All right. Thanks for that, Ivan. Okay, so again, we have here 46 minus 22. We're going to start first with 6 minus 2. How many is that? So you have 6, you're going to take away 2. All right? Six minus 2 equals, can do it,
4.
correct? And then 4 minus 2 equals, so you have 4, you're going to take away 2. All right? You can do it. Very good. Okay, can you please read the final answer? The final answer is
24.
very good. Let's move to the next one. The next one you have here
75 minus 45.
okay, so you have here 5 minus 5. You have 5, you're going to take away 5. What is the answer?
5.
All right, one more time. Remember you have 5 and then you're going to take away 5. What will be the answer? So you have 5, you're going to take away 5 from it. The answer will be, you can do it.
0.
All right. And then 7 minus 4 equals,
3.
correct? Very good, Ivan. What is the final answer? 75 minus 45 equals?
30.
Very good. Now let's go and let's have here 85 minus 42. Okay, start here in the right. So from the right, we have here 5 minus 2. What is the answer? 5 minus 2 equals, can do it.
3.
Correct. And then 8 minus 4 equals,
4.
All right, what is the final answer, Ivan? 85 minus 42 equals?
43.
Very good. Okay, now let's have here. Can you please read it first? We have
73 minus 42.
very good. Okay, 3 minus 2 equals? Can do it.
1.
Very good. And then 7 minus 4 is? They have 4
3.
and very good. Final answer, Ivan, is?
31.
Very good. Let's go to the next one. All right, for this one we have, can you please read it? Thank you so much. We have
8.
one
88
more.
minus 46.
Okay, let's start with 8 minus 6 first. So you have 8, you're going to take away 6. What will be the answer? Into it. You have 6 in mind and then
6, 7, 1.
let's try one more time. 8 minus 6 equals?
2.
Correct. And then 8 minus 4 equals?
4.
Very good. What's the final answer?
42.
Very good, Ivan. Next one. All right, can you please read the next problem here? We have
99 minus 53.
okay, let's first start with 9 minus 3 equals how many? You can do it. So you have 9 and then you're going to take away 3. All right. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
You can do it.
Five.
Mm-hmm. Nice try, Ivan. Let's try it one more time. So remember you have 9 and then you're going to take away 3 from 9. So from 3, you have to count until you reach number 9. Okay? Nice try. Keep going. Nine minus 3 equals?
6.
Correct. And then 9 minus 5 equals, this time we're going to take away 5 from 9. Okay? Now count from number 5 until you reach number 9. Then you're going to get the answer. You can do it. Yes, what is the answer? 9 minus 5 equals?
4.
Very good. What's the final answer, Ivan? The final answer is?
46.
Very good. Okay, because of that, here are lots of stars for Ivan. Do you have any question about subtraction of two-digit numbers?
Yes.
Okay, what is your question?
My teacher has sick.
Oh, your teacher is sick. Could be because of the weather. That's why. But thanks for sharing that. I wish that your teacher will get well soon. Okay? All right, let's continue. Ivan, thanks for that. So next one, we have here 49 minus 6. Can you please help me answer it? Let's first start with
Yes.
9 minus 6 equals how many?
9 minus 6.
Equals
3.
correct. And then what are you gonna do with number 4? You have to
4.
okay. Oh, sorry. I got the wrong pen. Right, and then you have to just bring down 4. What's the final answer, Ivan? It's
43.
very good. What about the next one? Can you please read it? We have
84 minus 53.
all right, let's first start with 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals how many? It's
1.
okay. And then 8 minus 5 equals
3.
correct. What's the final answer, Ivan? Final answer is
1.
very good. Okay, can you please read the next given number we have here?
78 minus 52.
All right, let's have here 8 minus 2 first. 8 minus 2 equals how many? You do it. 8 minus 2 equals
8 minus 2.
Is equal to how many?
6.
Correct. And then 7 minus 5 equals
5.
right? 7 minus 5 equals how many? It
Hmm.
can do it.
2.
Correct. What's the final answer, Ivan? It's
62.
One more time. Nice try though. Your answer is correct. You just have to read.
26.
Okay, very good. Thanks for that, Ivan. You're doing such a great job. Let's keep up the good work. All right, here are hearts for Ivan and stars too. Very good. All right, let's continue. We're gonna have this one. We're gonna continue practicing until we master it. Okay, you're almost there. We just have to continue. Thanks for that, Ivan. Okay, so first one we have here 49 minus 16. Let us first start with 9 minus 6. What do you think is the answer? So for 9 minus 6, the answer,
3.
that is correct. The answer is 3. How about 4 minus 1 equals? You can do it.
3.
Very good, Ivan. Keep up the good work. All right, next item. Can you please read it? We have
69 minus 8.
all right, let's first start with 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 equals how many? Equals
1.
very good. And then you just have to bring down number 6. What's the final answer? The final answer is
51.
very good. Okay, let's continue. We have here 57 minus 34. Let's start with 7 minus 4 first. Equals? We can do it.
3.
Correct. And then 5 minus 3 equals?
2.
Very good, Ivan. You got the correct answer. 57 minus 34 equals how many? Equal?
23.
Okay, how about 57 minus 35? Let's have 7 minus 5 first. 7 minus 5 equals?
7 minus 5.
Mm-hmm. Equals how many?
2.
Very good. And then 5 minus 3 equals?
2.
Very good. What's the final answer? The final answer is?
22.
Very good. Okay, how about we try to answer this one? Can you please read it? We have
72 minus 40.
okay, 2 minus 0 equals how many? So we have 2, you're going to take away 0. How many is left?
2.
Correct. And then 7 minus 4 equals? You can do it. The answer is
7.
nice try. And one more time, let's try it again. So you have 7 minus 4, Ivan. You have 7, you're going to take away 4. How many is left? So you have 4. From 4, you have to count until you reach 7. Okay, you can do it.
3.
Correct. What's the final answer? The final answer, Ivan, is
32.
very good. How about this one? Can you please read the next one?
84 minus 22.
Okay, thank you. Let's go and try to answer this one first. 4 minus 2 equals how many? Equals, when you have 4, you're going to take away 2. What will be the answer?
Oh,
Correct. And then 8 minus 2 equals, you can do it. Okay, one more time. 8 minus 2 equals,
6.
very good. What's the final answer, Ivan? The final answer is
62.
very good. Keep up the good work, Ivan. Here are lots of stars for you for doing such a great job. So that's how we subtract two-digit numbers. All right. Always remember to read the given numbers first and then start subtracting from the right going to the left. Okay. You just have to count from the number here at the bottom and then from the number to the upper part. Okay, from that you'll find out how many numbers are left. Okay, let's review it by reading it
Teacher,
alternately. Yes, you're welcome. Let's review it first before we close this class. First one we have here.
49 minus 16. 33.
Okay, equals 33. Next, 69 minus 8 equals 61. Okay, next one, Ivan. Can you please read it? We have
57 minus 34
all right.
equals 23.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Thanks for that, Ivan. You're doing such a great job. And lastly, we have here 57 minus 35 equals 22. Okay, thank you so much, Ivan, for tonight. I had fun learning with you. Because of that, here are lots of balloons for you. Okay, thanks, Ivan. That's how we subtract two-digit numbers. I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, Ivan. Thanks so
Bye.
much.